Hello everyone, welcome to Delicacies and DIY. Let's make a Holi special delicacy, Chandrakala Gujiya. Of course, you can make this delicious sweet at any time of the year and enjoy. Let's start by preparing the dough for Mawa Gujiya. Add 1 teaspoon salt to 2 cups of all-purpose flour and mix well. Add 1/4 cup melted ghee. Mix well until all the flour is coated with the ghee. This will make the outer covering of Gujiya crispy and flaky. It should resemble the texture of breadcrumbs and must hold the shape as shown. Add little water at a time and knead a stiff dough. I needed half a cup of water to make this dough. You may need a little less or more water depending on the flour used. Cover and let it rest for 25 minutes. While the dough is resting, let's prepare Gujiya stuffing. Heat 1 teaspoon ghee. Add 1/4 cup rava. Roast on low heat until it becomes fragrant and changes color. Add 1/4 cup desiccated coconut. Saute for a minute. Add half a cup of crushed dry fruits. I have used cashew and almonds. Saute for another minute. Remove in a bowl and keep aside to cool. Now take 200 grams of khoya. Cook on low heat and keep stirring constantly. It should change color slightly. Remove in a bowl. Add the prepared coconut, rava and dry fruits mixture. Half cup plus 2 tablespoons of powdered sugar. Mix until well combined. Add half a teaspoon cardamom powder. Give a quick mix. Sweet, nutty, delicious Gujiya stuffing is ready. Knead the dough for a minute. Divide into equal portions. I have made 26 dough balls which will make 13 Chandrakala Gujiya. Keep it covered with a damp cloth to prevent from drying. Roll out each dough ball like a puri. Do not roll out too thin. Place a tablespoon of stuffing in the center. Apply water on all the sides. Cover with another puri and press all the sides to seal the edges. Now pinch and fold as shown in the video to create a beautiful design. Make all the gujiyas similarly. Heat sufficient oil for deep frying. Add the gujia carefully and let it fry for a minute or two on one side before flipping. Now flip and fry until both the sides are golden in color. Fry on low to medium heat so that the edges are cooked properly and the cover turns flaky. Keep the rest of the gujia covered while frying. Enjoyed the video so far? Quickly hit the like button and subscribe to support my channel. These Chandrakala Gujiya are sweet, moist and delicious on the inside and tasty, flaky, crispy on the outside. Do try it out and share your feedback in the comment section below.